The video of the battery replacement was posted on Douyin, TikTok. The earpiece speaker volume is a little low. Can I watch you replace it? Sure, no problem. I'll get right on it. How much longer can a 3-year-old iPhone 13 last? This phone was sent in by a local customer for a battery replacement. She said she bought it when it first came out for over 7,000 renminbi. It's been used for almost 4 years now. It still runs pretty smoothly. But lately, the battery life has been poor. It runs out of power in the morning. She has to carry a power bank everywhere, which is very inconvenient. She also mentioned that the speaker and earpiece volume are very low. It's hard to hear anything in noisy places. Let's fix it together. We told her that her requests are basic operations for us. Next is the detailed repair process. If your phone battery also drains quickly, lags when gaming, or freezes, you can click the video. In the bottom left corner, you can group by a replacement. After placing an order, choose the nearest store for replacement. We use a standardized repair method, a detailed repair process, and face-to-face repairs. For this phone's battery replacement, we use a zero-cycle battery. After the replacement, it won't experience voltage reduction or capacitor locking, and the battery will release its full capacity. The phone will also normally display battery health. This significantly improves battery life and enhances the user experience. Sounds of repair work, no translation needed. Sounds of repair work, no translation needed. Sounds and words unclear, no translation needed. Really? Sounds and words unclear, no translation needed. Sounds and words unclear, no translation needed. Sounds and words unclear, no translation needed. Ma'am, your phone is fixed. The charger and screen protector are gifts for you. Okay. Thank you. You're welcome.